LlamaIndex is one of the wonderful tool to create LLM applications. The only downside I see with LlamaIndex is that most of the stuff they are putting out there requires OpenAI API key, which costs you some dollars every month. I hope that there will be a way to use the open source free LLMs with LlamaIndex soon, and I'm sure there will be. But anyway, the purpose of this video is to introduce you to LlamaIndex Chat. This has been recently launched by LlamaIndex. There are two things which are accomplished by this. First, that it is a production ready full stack application where you can create and share LLM bots over your data. Secondly, it is fully open source and the license is MIT, and it is JSTS application template that you can easily customize and extend for your own purposes. This app is basically a fully open source version of ChatGPT retrieval augmentation generation experience. The common and salient features of this LlamaIndex Chat is that it creates bot with custom system prompts, avatars, and LLM parameters. Plus, you can upload PDFs through a conversational interface, and you can share conversation publicly. You can also one-click deploy to Vercel, and you can customize your data sources. On your screen, you can see that this is fully hosted Llama index chat. So maybe you could ask any question here. What is the capital of Australia? And then it is going to give you the responses very quickly, very easily. And there are a lot of other use cases which you can perform with it. If you look at the left hand side, you can see that it already has some of the roles which you can use readily available. And then, for example, this is a Linux one, this is an Apple Watch Genius, and this is a German Basic Law Expert. And you can use your own documents in the My Documents. For instance, let me give it another prompt that in 1 year yellow paint fades and becomes a white color. In my house, in one room, one wall is yellow and rest of walls are white. Should I paint that yellow wall as white now or wait for 1 year to do so that it fades into white? Let's run what it says. How cool is that? So, I mean, painting the yellow wall white now will ensure a consistent and uniform look. So this is amazing. I think this shows the power of this LlamaIndex chat, that not only the speed, but the accuracy of the responses is awesome. I will also try to build a local install or with some open source LLM if it is possible, and will create another video. They also have this GitHub repo, and you go there, you can see that we have some steps to install it locally. You can first git clone it, then you can cd to this directory, and this is the environment variable where you need to specify your OpenAI key, and you would need Node.js for this. Versal deployment is just one click, and that's about it. I hope that you enjoyed it. This was just a short, quick intro video, and as I said, if I find any option to do this with the open source LLM, then I will create another video and share with it very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll drop the link in video's description. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.